In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a section in Elementor. Once you're in your Elementor editor, open your website and begin editing it. Let's first look at how you can hide sections for yourself while working inside Elementor. At the upper left-hand side of your screen, you will see the structure icon. Click on it, and a structure menu will appear, showing you all the sections on the page. From here, if you want to focus on a single section at a time, you can hide the other sections by clicking the eye icon next to each one. This way, only the section you want to work on remains visible. Once you've finished editing, you can unhide the other sections whenever you need. Remember, this feature is only for your editing environment and does not affect how visitors see your website. It is simply a way to help you concentrate on one section at a time. Now, if you want to hide an entire section from public view, that can also be done. First, hover over the section and click on the Edit Container icon at the top of it. On the left-hand side, switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll down, and you'll see a Responsive option. Click on it to expand the settings. Here you'll find three options: Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet, and Hide on Mobile. Choose the device type where you want this section to remain hidden. For instance, if you select Hide on Desktop, visitors using a desktop will not see the section, while it may still appear on mobile or tablet depending on your choice. After making your changes, click on Publish at the top right corner of the screen. Then, if you refresh your website, you will notice that the section you hid on desktop is no longer visible, and the space it occupied has been filled by the next section below it. And this is how you can hide a section in Elementor.